adventure. Welcome to the Galileo Tour Bus. On your left is Heather.
And on your right is Jamie.
We're your friendly Route 66 tour guides.
We're excited to take you on a road trip from Chicago to LA, where we'll have the most amazing adventures on America's Mother Road.
As a Nebula, get a sweet start to your trip as you bring a classic soda fountain to life. Engineer your own versions of the trucks and equipment used in the historic construction of Route 66. Travel through the painted desert and end your journey with a roller coaster ride at the Santa Monica Pier.
As a star, prepare for the road with a travel-ready tote inspired by the New Mexican landscape. Design the fastest flying car to hightail it down the highway. And don't miss the Merrimack Caverns, which you can explore with your custom-made headlamp. Getting hungry? Stop at any one of the famous diners along Route 66.
If you're a supernova, you'll shift into our highest gear of innovation as you build and test an air-launched rocket car to showcase at Route 66 Raceway. Then get your kicks on Albuquerque's Central Avenue by crafting a neon sign that actually glows in the dark.
And no matter which age group you're in, spend more than a third of your day outdoors playing active road trip-themed games and putting your collaborative team on the map.
So what do you say? Are you revved up to hit the road and construct, test, and redesign the vehicles and bridges we'll need on this journey?
Can you help us imagine the most eye-catching innovations and bring picturesque visions of Route 66 to life? If so, sign up for Road Trip Adventure Week at Camp Galileo.
Buckle up and get ready for an incredible ride where all roads lead to innovation.
And don't forget to cruise by the other 3 fun-filled themes on our website.